Hello everyone, it's Haruinkorea and today, getting ready right now, but me and my boyfriend are going to Namhae and we are going to go to a sheep farm. It has other animals, but I really wanted to go to feed the sheep. I told him I'd be ready in 7 minutes and I will not be ready in 7 minutes. 안녕.
안녕. 그 수제 바나나 라떼 아이스 2잔이랑요. 그 다음에 블루베리 크림 치즈 하나.
What kind of bagel did you get?
Corn cheese.
Corn cheese. That's very Korean.
맞아요.
운전하면서 먹을 거야?
아 모르겠어요. 아직 생각 안 해봤어.
Oh wait, I like this song because it talks about Chicago and then I think about going to Chicago with you. Wow, what a reaction.
Pizza.
Can I kick it? Yes, you can. Can I kick it? Or you gotta let me know. It just reminds me of, yeah, like driving in a movie.
I don't know why, but this kind of has always reminds me of like a Celtic, like a fairy tale.
네, 저도요. I kind of think like the fairy tale, or either like, you know, like I don't know, like some type of Japanese fairy tale like type thing. But nah, I really like that path too. Thank you. 시험에 통과했어.
Unintentionally.
Your little ponytail is bouncing. 너무 귀엽다. Oh no! 나중에 fixing 할 거야. So pretty!
Hawaii.
Hawaii? Have you crossed this bridge before?
아니요, actually it's for the first time.
Oh. Young and lovely, the girl from Ipanema goes walking, and when she passes, it's when she passes goes by. Oh my god, we look so cute. We look like actual vloggers. Okay, if something embarrassing happens, I won't put it.
Right, we take this photo.
And then put the music.
Yeah,
Hey,
that's what I was thinking.
that is so cute.
왜?
Just the way you're doing it.
네, 됐어.
귀엽다. So we're not at the sheep farm yet, but I don't know where he's going. He's kind of like my dad. He didn't tell me why he was stopping. He just suddenly stopped, so I thought there was a problem. And then he's like, let's get out and look around and take pictures, which is exactly what my dad used to do on road trips. He would just stop without telling anybody and then be like, get out, it's time to take some pictures. Look at the mountains. Why are you so far away? 지금 뭐 하는 거야? 여자친구 없어?
My exploring habit.
I know. Oh my gosh, look, the ocean smells. The smells. This is my outfit. Oh my god, there's ants on my shoes. Okay, this is my outfit. So hat from H&M, overalls from Hot Topic, shoes from H&M, outfit, bag from Coupon. Wait, come back. I need you. I like having options for my thumbnail. So look excited and smile.
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. Oh, emotions assistant in their dream. Oh, and they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark.
We're here. My legs are really working out today.
We are getting closer. Are you ready?
Ooh.
You could ring the whole day.
Wow. He's so cute though. You want some food, don't you?
They have a different hairstyle actually.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but not right now.
Not. Oh, you need some too, I know. I'm sorry. Look at your. Hey, fatty, go away. You're not even eating it.
You're reacting.
What are you doing?
I'm reading the ships.
Oh, yeah, you're a shepherd. You're teasing them. Hey, take a break. Oh, you try. Hey, whoa. Whoa, that was a real fight.
I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Is this movie that I think you like? This guy decides to quit his job and head to New York City. This guy.
Hey, I'll give you guys some food later, okay? But wait.
Chill. It's a horror movie.
Yeah, I know. This is kind of creepy, actually. The way they're watching you, like the sheep are so like friendly. They're like, "You gonna give me some food or not?"
Boy's running from himself. She's been living on the highest shelf. And they come unstuck. Lady, running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got a lump in my throat 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. I just wanna know if you're gonna stay. I just gotta know. I can't have it any other way. I swear she's destined for the screen. Closest.
Alright, hello everyone. I'm back home. Anyway, we love the sheep farm. It was super cute and fun. Even though it was rainy, like the vibes were just super pretty. But yeah, I'm super tired right now. You're like, you know, after you go and do something, like when you were a kid, you go out and do some event and then afterwards you're tired, even if it was like just for like an hour. So that's how I'm feeling right now. So I'm gonna take a nap. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to let me know in the comment section down below. Make sure to give this video a like and I'll see you guys later. Bye!